It is not just about, yeah, I have certificates, I have MBA, I have this, I have that, I have that. You have to understand that everybody's job is susceptible to be overtaken. Again, this is a profitable company. And so why would they lay off people? And this is not just exclusive to Oracle, Facebook, Google, Amazon, all of these big companies, Microsoft, some way, shape, or form are laying off people, restructuring the organizations, and leveraging more on artificial intelligence robots to improve their profitability and make more money for their shareholders. So, what is the takeaway here? Imagine you were part of these 30,000 people. You got up in the morning, preparing, 6 a.m., you saw an email, and that is it. So nobody sat you down to even talk to you and say, hey, listen, you've done great for our company and we want to sack you or we are laying you off. No, nobody sat with you. Just an email at boom, you are gone. So the question you need to ask yourself is, how can you future-proof yourself? How do you make sure that you are financially independent and you can live your life? Because if you are going to lose your job, then it means you need to put yourself in the position where you can become successful regardless.